Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing. Hi, and welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the A major, composed of the A, the C sharp, and the E, and the bass note of A. Then you're gonna have the D major, played with the A, the D, and the F sharp, and the bass note of D. And last chord, the E major, played with the B, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of E. As usual, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the structure. Let's first learn the introduction of this song. So you're gonna play the bass note first, then the chord, and then the melody. So like this. For an easier grasp of this melody, I recommend you put your first finger on the A note, second finger on the B, third finger on the C sharp, and your pinky on the E, which makes this. Okay? And after this, the song will begin with the chorus, and here is the corresponding table. So take the A major and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And then D major. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to A major. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you replay the table, so it should sound like this. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Okay? Na, 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 na. And you repeat that table one last time to complete the chorus. Here, by the way, I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. Now let's move on to the verse, and for this section we will have a new table, so I will display it to you right now, and we will be keeping the same method. Directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. And you just continue the table, okay? Of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. And back to chorus, okay? And of course, feel free to try new ways of playing. For example, like this. Don't worry about a thing. It's the same chord order. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. You can play it in so many different ways. So for the rest of the song, just replay everything you played from the beginning and you'll be able to play this song entirely. I wish you good luck and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.